that adorable head tilt your dog does? It's not confusion. It's precision engineering. You say your dog's name, and their head tilts sideways. It's one of the most universally charming things any animal does. But this isn't a performance. Your dog is running a complex calculation, adjusting the position of their ears and the angle of their muzzle to decode what you just said. And new research suggests it might reveal how much your dog actually understands. Dogs hear frequencies up to 65,000 Hz, more than 3 times the human range. But pinpointing where a sound comes from is harder than it seems. Sound arrives at each ear at a slightly different time, and the brain uses that microsecond difference to calculate direction. By tilting their head, a dog repositions their ear canals relative to the sound source, giving their brain a second data point. It's the same principle humans use when turning to hear better, except dogs have 18 muscles controlling each ear. Humans have 6, and most of us can't move ours at all. There's a second theory that's just as compelling. A dog's muzzle blocks part of their visual field. A study published in Animal Cognition asked 582 dog owners to observe their pets during spoken commands. Dogs with longer muzzles, like greyhounds and collies, tilted their heads significantly more than flat-faced breeds like pugs. The researchers concluded that the tilt compensates for muzzle obstruction, allowing the dog to see more of the speaker's face and read their expressions. Essentially, your dog is trying to see your mouth. In 2021, researchers in Budapest made a breakthrough. They found that dogs who had learned the names of multiple toys tilted their heads far more frequently when hearing those names. Non-trained dogs rarely tilted. The tilt correlated with mental processing. The dog was actively matching the word to a memory. This suggests the head tilt isn't just mechanical. It's cognitive. Your dog tilts because they're thinking, and the more they understand, the more they tilt. Dogs also tilt more toward their owners than toward strangers, and more in response to high-pitched voices. Puppy talk, that exaggerated sing-song tone people use, triggers 43% more head tilts than normal speech. Dogs read human emotional tone through pitch variation, and tilting helps them process that information. It's one of the reasons dogs and humans bonded so deeply over 15,000 years of coevolution. Your dog isn't just hearing your words. They're reading your feelings. Every quirk your pet has tells a story about evolution. Subscribe to Curious Science to learn more about the hidden science behind everyday behavior. Does your dog tilt more to one side? Tell us in the comments.